Welcome to the Sash Window Workshop. We hope you enjoy the next 6 minutes as we give you a guided tour of our workshops and offices. The Sash Window Workshop is based in Berkshire. We are bespoke manufacturers of traditional timber windows and doors. Our work is carried out in the southeast of England, but we can provide our services in other areas if required. All our windows are made from hardwood from managed or sustainable sources. We use some softwood for the manufacture of internal mouldings or architraves. We select our timber and process it into component parts for manufacture. We have the capability to produce windows of any shape, size and pattern. All our windows are handcrafted by a team of 12 specialist joiners. We use traditional mortise and tenon construction to make the very best bespoke built windows. After the windows are made, they go into our paint shop and are sprayed with 3 coats of microporous paint. All windows are primed, surface filled and sanded before top coats are applied to ensure the highest quality of finish. Our standard colour is white semi-gloss, but should clients want a bespoke finish, then this is also available. Our glazing and the manufacture of our double glazed units is carried out in-house to maintain the highest standards. There are many types of glass to choose from, and we can tailor glass specifications to meet your needs, such as fitting acoustic laminate glass. We comply fully to the European glazing standard EN 1279. We cut our own glass either by hand or by using our automated glass cutting machine. To make our double glazed units, the glass, once cut, is washed, dried and inspected for cleanliness. We use a non-metallic spacer bar for optimal thermal efficiency, and the units are then sealed. Once manufactured, our units are carefully glazed into the sashes, and any glazing bars that are required are bonded to the glass using our specialist glazing tape. After glazing, the windows are returned to the paint shop for finishing touches, which includes sealing to the exterior with a bead of clear silicone and a thorough inspection. The sash windows are weighed to ensure that we counterbalance correctly and wrapped for protection prior to delivery and installation. We carry a wide range of stores, ironmongery and materials, all of which is carefully managed. In our showroom, you can view and examine our completed products. Here we have examples of a beautifully finished sash window and French doors. When we have taken out your old windows, we bring them back to the factory for recycling. The glass is removed and the frames broken down and then burnt in our furnace, which heats our workshops. Our office staff are dedicated to giving you the very best in customer service, and we encourage direct access to our management by our clients. We hope you have enjoyed your tour. If you would like to come and visit us or have any questions, then please let us know. We will be only too pleased to help.